What's going on, everybody? My name is Uppy, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And in this one, we're going to be talking all about how to get clients when moving to a new location. Let's get into it. So previously, I was based in the Gold Coast, Australia, but recently I decided to make the move to beautiful Hamilton, New Zealand. It seriously was one of the best decisions I could have made for my business, because by being here, it greatly improved my mental health, my physical fitness, my social life, and also my spiritual journey as well, which in turn made me a better person and a better entrepreneur. So today I want to share with you a few of the things that made my transition a whole lot easier, and hopefully it can help you as well. So number one, change everything online to reflect your new location. When you've made the decision that you're definitely going to make the move, change all of your online platforms immediately. That means your Instagram, your Facebook, your website, and anything else that is connected to your business. This way, potential clients in your new area can find you and potentially even book you before you even get there. When I did this while I was still in Australia, I think I got around 3 bookings for New Zealand and I hadn't even made the move yet. So once it's been decided, change everything. Number 2. Make friends in the same industry. Now, there's this old saying that goes, your network is your net worth. And though I never like to look at networking as a way to make money from people, it's never a bad idea to connect with other like-minded, passionate creatives and offering what you can to help their business thrive. Maybe you're a photographer, a videographer, or even a graphic designer. Why not reach out to other creatives in your location and offer them some free content that they can use for their socials? I'm a big believer in helping others. And what I've found is whatever I put out, I always get back tenfold. This has been so evident in every area of my life, including business as well. There's this quote by Jai Long that goes, "We are in the business of people," which means the more people we can help, the more our own business will thrive as well. And number 3, use Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, this is probably the quickest and easiest way to get leads in your new location. So, after you've changed all of your social platforms to reflect the new location you'll be moving to, why not boost a couple of your posts? The best part about this is it is so simple to set up and doesn't need to cost a lot. All you have to do is boost your posts, select your target audience and demographic, and then just set a daily budget and duration. I usually set it at $4 to $6 a day over the course of 7 to 10 days. And what I found by doing this is I always get a few inquiries over the next couple of days and even a few bookings as well. So that initial $50 to $60 I spend to boost a post always makes me back thousands of dollars in the end. But I just wanted to mention a word of warning as well. And this is where a lot of people mess up. The posts you boost actually have to be captivating and somewhat good. If you're trying to boost a post that isn't good, it doesn't matter how much money you put into it, you'll never get the results that you desire. So always make sure to post your absolute best work when you can. So these 3 things help my transition a ton, and hopefully they can help you as well. And before we wrap up, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Evie and Lindsay from the Hart University. They're both educators who come from a wedding photography background, and they share so much insight and knowledge when it comes to scaling your business. So I'll add their links in the description below, and definitely check them out because they have a ton of valuable info that can help you as well. But if you found this video helpful, it would mean the absolute world if you guys can leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. On here, we have weekly videos talking all about business, marketing, strategy, and tips and tricks, all to help your wedding photography business thrive as well. My name is Uppy Hemi. Thanks so much again for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.